A hands-on review of the Vivo V23. This is a truly stunning selfie phone. Launched at CES 2022 alongside a Pro variant, the Vivo V23 represents the latest device from up-and-coming Chinese brand Vivo. Our first impressions of the Vivo V23 were very positive. This is one of Vivo's most competitive smartphones for selfie fans, since it has two front-facing cameras, including a high-res one, and a variety of software features that enhance self-portraits. It is therefore likely that both will be priced around $600, £500, $800 obviously with the V23 being cheaper than the Pro. This is only a guess, however, and we may be proven wrong. There are countless boring, similar-looking smartphones on the market today, but the Vivo V23 really stands out, at least, the gold one we tested did. There is also a black version, although it appears less impressive from images. This will be more apparent in person, but we will attempt to illustrate it in photographs of the phone. The gold turns blue when it catches the light just right. With a weight of just 179 grams, it is a relatively light device. There is a USB-C port on the device, but no 3.5mm headphone jack. The power button and volume rocker are located on the right side of the device. Screen size is 6.44 inches, with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The notch that houses both front-facing cameras is an intriguing feature of the display design. There are two cameras on the Vivo V23, a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide camera for wide-angle shots. During this hands-on review, we experimented with the selfie modes and settings, but we will have to conduct a far more scientific set of tests for our full assessment. The battery capacity of the Vivo V23 is 4,200 mAh. A 44 watts charging rate is a decent mid-speed charge. Fast charging phones can reach 65 watts, while slow charging handsets, like the iPhone and Galaxy, usually operate at around 25 watts. That is coupled with either 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Our review unit was the latter. The user experience was fluid when navigating the menus and interacting with the camera app. Vivo's Fun Touch OS 12 is layered over Android 12. In addition, it is a 5G phone. Some marketing material refers to it as the Vivo V23 5G, so you will be able to access fast data connections. We were enticed by the glitz and glam of the Vivo V23, and spent much of our testing period admiring its stunning design and taking numerous selfies. In these two areas, we are inclined to recommend the phone. Furthermore, we will also need a price before we publish our full review, in order to evaluate its value for money. As it stands, however, we believe this will be our favorite smartphone launched at CES 2022.